Munene wa maminista na ula ingi niwe minista muviani wa maundu manthi sianza Musalia Mudavadi niwaweta kana silikali yina muvango wa kwongela sukulu sya silikali sya musingi na sya sekondali tanzia imwe ya kutangiia asyai matena utonyi wa kuiva ndivi sya masomo sukuluni sya kana private. Mudavadi anene sukuluni wa musingi wa St. George's musini wa Ilovi kavinda kala wa kusia Kwambiia kwa Mutiani wa Kwasya na KCPE vala wakadhi ya muvia wa kisomo nundu wa kuikithia Mutiani ya mwaka huu ni yambia matena mathina Josephine Koki na ilivote.
Munene wa maminista Musalia Mudavadi ni wakusia kuvingua vamwe na kuambililwa kwa Mutiani ya manyiwa ma kilasi cha thandatu kana Kwasya na manyiwa ma muthia kwikalila Mutiani wa kilasi cha nyanya KCPE Sukuluni wa St. George ulawi musini wa Ilovi vala wakadhi ya muvia wa kisomo kwa kithito chonthini wa kwailia iseso ya unyai cha wa Mutiani vamwe na kusiaiwa kwa Mutiani isu nthi yonthe ya Kenya.
Listening to Mr. Barongo and also seeing what has been done, you can imagine the kind of logistics that they go through. It's not a simple matter. It's not a simple matter. In fact, if you look at it, the logistics that the teachers go through to make sure that all these exams are everywhere for these young people. Just maybe the other institution that you can mirror is the logistics that the IEBC goes through. It's a very serious logistical undertaking. It's not simple at all. They have increased the containers, the exams are secure. When they collect them from the container, they're under security watch. They are brought to the institution, they finish, they are taken back again where they are kept for safe custody, again under security watch. And this is happening all over the country. So you can imagine what it takes.
Ingi Mudavadi ni wona nyamuikio wake nthini wa kisomo cha CBC vamwe na kisomo cha ivinda yukite va Kenya.
The future of our young boys and girls is extremely important to all of us, and therefore me coming here and the president being elsewhere and other leaders, we are actually partnering with the Department of Education to show that we all want the integrity of our exams to be upheld and to be beyond reproach. That is what we are seeking here. So by us joining and encouraging them at this particular moment, I think is not just a question of us being here for the sake of it. I think we want to send a very strong symbolism to the people of Kenya that the integrity of the exams is paramount, so that their credentials can be recognized not just within our boundaries but even beyond. So that is absolutely important.
Otau Mudavadi niwaweta kana silikali ni kuongelanga masukulu masilikali kiwango ni cha musingi na sekondali kuola mawumu ala mekumbilite asyai matena utonyi wa kusomethia siana sio sukuluni sya kimbene. Ndi ripoti ya Vilingi wa Mauvo ni Josephine Koki.